And what is equal grouping?
The same number in every group?
Yes, it's making something fair. So today what we're going to do is we have different collections of items, but first I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so I have pennies, a handful of pennies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count them out to start with. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So let's say I have 3 friends and I want all of us to have the same number of pennies. So to start off, I will split them into 3 separate groups. I'll go one at a time, so that way I make sure everybody has the same amount. Okay, so I took 15 pennies and I divided it into 3 equal groups. So that gave me 5 pennies in each group. Does that make sense? Okay, so I have 2 worksheets and they have 1 multiplication and 1 division problem on each worksheet. So, and then each group has different problems. So with your shoulder partner, you're going to work on the 2 problems and put them into equal groups, and then you have a worksheet, and you're going to write down the number you have in each group, the number of groups you have, and then the total number of items altogether. So, suckers, and the flowers, and then the fish, and the peppermints. So if you guys want to start grouping those. So how did you figure out how many you had together? Just like counting them, or yeah. So now in each group. Are you guys finished with your?
Yes.
Yes.
So let them finish,
Hurry up.
and then we'll switch.
Yeah.
Now if you guys want to switch your collections and your word problems. And try the other one. small group how you guys came up with your answers, like how you did your grouping, and which was easier, the multiplication ones or the division. You guys can discuss that as a whole.
I personally do the multiplication. So
Yeah.
division.
It's easier.
You guys divide the materials too. Do you use them?
Okay. So now, I want you guys to turn over your worksheet. And as a group, you're going to come up with your own word problem. But you're going to be using cupcakes because today is National Vanilla Cupcake Day. So you're going to be using these cupcakes to create your word problem. And you can do multiplication or division, whichever one you guys think will help. So what would you start with when writing a multiplication problem?
Tell me.
Oh, that's it.
So you had 5 friends. And all had 4 cupcakes. Do you have 5 friends and what? Do you have 4 cupcakes?
Did we count too many or just 5 friends? Just 5 friends.
How many minutes?
8.
8 minutes?
Totally gets no. Okay, now how would you do this with division? Like how would you group these with division? Like you start with 20 cupcakes.
20 cupcakes and 5 friends. What? That
How many-
works.
how many cupcakes
Cupcakes
do
do Tony's friends get?
There you go.
We never get any.
Awesome.
And then your homework is to go to your house and find 2 different collections of items and group them together and then see, like, so you could do spoons and see how many groups of spoons you can come up with. And then create 2 word problems using the collections that you find. I want 1 multiplication and 1 division word problem. Okay.
10 minutes, 9 minutes.
9:33.
9:33, wow.